Are you thinking about buying the West Month Mattress Topper? It's getting a lot of attention online with claims of hotel-like comfort and better sleep. The website says it can turn your old mattress into a luxury one without spending a lot, which sounds really appealing. They claim it has a 1000 GSM ultra-thick padding, making it much thicker than regular toppers. It also comes with a deep pocket fit and a breathable design to keep you comfortable all night. Overall, it sounds premium and promising at first glance. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now, let's talk about some concerns you should not ignore. First, the website itself is very new. It was registered on 16th August 2025. Now, this doesn't automatically make it a scam, but it does mean there isn't much long-term trust or history behind it. Whenever you're dealing with a new website, you should always be extra careful. Another thing that stands out is the heavy discount. The product is being sold at around 47% off, which might look like a great deal, but such big discounts are often used to create urgency and push people into quick decisions without proper research. Then comes one of the biggest red flags: lack of proper contact information. There is no clear phone number or physical address mentioned. The website mostly relies on generic email forms. This becomes a serious issue if something goes wrong with your order because you don't really have a reliable way to reach the company. Now, let's talk about reviews, because this is where things get even interesting. On the website itself, the product has very glowing reviews, showing around a 4.9 rating, which looks almost perfect. But when you check independent platforms like Trustpilot, the situation looks very different. There are mixed reviews, and some of them are quite concerning. Some customers claim the product works fine and adds comfort to their mattress. They mention that it feels soft and fits well. A few people even said the ordering process was smooth and delivery updates were clear. But on the other side, there are several negative experiences that you really can't ignore. Some users say they never received their order even after waiting for weeks or months. Others claimed they received a completely different product, like a thin sheet instead of a thick topper. There are also complaints about poor customer service, where customers were asked to return items internationally at their own cost, which is not practical at all. One review even mentioned that the company could not track the package properly and refused to refund or resend the product. Another user said the topper they received was flat and nothing like what was shown in the advertisement. These kinds of issues raise serious questions about product quality and after-sales support. So, what's the final verdict? The West Month Mattress Topper might look attractive with its premium claims and heavy discounts, but there are multiple warning signs you should consider. A new website, lack of contact details, overly positive in-site reviews, and negative external feedback. All of these together make this a risky purchase.